Hi friends, welcome to today trading analysis. After a long back, I started creating videos from now. So from now, I will try to give the videos at least 2 to 3 videos in a week. Because of I don't have any editor team or anything, so I am very much harder to maintain the videos at a time of the Telegram channel and Twitter and own trading. So right now, from today, I will try to give the best analysis from all sides. So right now, if we see the Bitcoin in a daily time frame, clearly we can observe one thing here. In a daily time frame, the same pattern what we can observe in previous 3 months, that same pattern right now we are repeating. So mostly here, if we observe, this is the pattern around January. It we seen here. So I'm expecting the same kind of chances are there. So one negative news is very easily to trick the market, and from here the market can go. The next important area is around 54. So how I am indicating as the 54 is just the simple previous weeks. So when we see the previous weeks, at least 50% of the week should be completed. So here, if you see that 53 to 54, the important areas were there. Market is going to next test that kind of the prices. And here, if we observe one more thing, at least the previous the large week of the daily week, at least 50% should not till not been finished. So mostly first the market is going to kill that. And once more I am telling you, it will make you feel that market is not going to fall, and it will trick you like this, and later it will start falling. And if you see the volume side, there is no buying volume genuinely coming into the market. And if we go with the OBV, it is a very important indicator where we can see that the real how much volume has been coming into the market. So, if we draw a significant line from here as a trend line, we can see that it is crossed the trend line and somewhat buying volume entered. But the reality here we need to understand here it is this important area it should be in crosses, because it was the previous huge volume where still Bitcoin is not going to touch that. So we need to expect the new liquidity to come into the market if Bitcoin want to goes up. If it is not like that, mostly it cannot survive in the same way. And coming to the next important thing, we need to observe the perspective from the SP 500 index. So see, it is a very literally, I told that my previous videos, if you saw the clearly, I told that it is most weaker way right now in the SP 500 index is behaving, and in the weekly time frame also, it is in a very weaker way. Now this correction, it is going to stop here, or it is going to retest around 5105. We don't know. But once if these resets will be finished, till that time Bitcoin will be bleed. So the very important thing here we need to understand that right now I am not longing the Bitcoin. I am taking a short my Bitcoin right now. First, I am expecting Bitcoin is going to fall around $61,000 area. After that, it will take wait for some time. Again, it will fall towards 54 to 52k area. There is no other pattern. But if it has to be invalidate, then market should cross this important resistance area of 67,800, then the next important area of $71,800, and then the next important area is 76. So in this way, if we observe, there are the important resistance are waiting on the top. Those are crossed, then only market will go up. At this moment, what I am expecting in the market is it will be the going to suck downside liquidity around 54 to 52k area. So in this update, in this short video, I want to explain that as a weekend, let's jump into the market with the right perspective and make some money and follow your risk and reward ratio. Don't go against the market. Trend is your friend. So stay tuned with us. Have a nice day. Signing off.